If you're looking for a Hyundai Tucson in Australia, you're probably deciding between two very different SUVs. The third generation, practical and proven, or the current fourth generation, sharper, more advanced, and available as a hybrid. They might share a badge, but they feel like completely different cars. The Tucson returned to Australia in 2015, replacing the iX35 name. Since then, it's become one of the most sensible mid-size SUV choices on the market, competing directly with the RAV4s and the CX5s. But the real decision is 2015 to 2021 or 2022 onwards. The third gen Tucson is straightforward and dependable. Clean design, comfort-focused suspension, easy to live with. Engine options include 2-litre petrol, 1.6-litre turbo petrol, and 2-litre turbo diesel. If you want proven reliability without overcomplicated tech, this generation makes a lot of sense on the used market. This is where things change. The fourth gen Tucson is bigger, more refined, and far more modern inside. It introduced a dramatic new design, a longer wheelbase for better legroom, a dual 10.25-inch digital display, and most importantly, a hybrid option. The new engine lineup now includes a 1.6-litre turbo hybrid producing 172 kilowatts combined. The hybrid is a standout for city drivers, around 5.3 litres per 100 Ks in real-world use. Cabin quality is a noticeable step up, safety tech is more advanced, and rear passenger space is genuinely excellent. Choose the third gen if you want a simpler option. Choose the fourth gen if you want all the latest safety tech. Both generations are genuinely sensible options for all Australian conditions. And sometimes, sensible is what you need.